So I'm going to grab my scissors and I'm going to stand at the back here. I'm going to use the point of my blade, okay? And from this part now, I'm going to start going from the center to the side. Now this is what is usually everywhere that we go and do education. This is kind of becoming a little bit the wow factor at the end, right? Even I think, and I really believe that when we are working on quite strong outline on social media, it always gets more hits and more likes than softer one. You see those scissors for this, they're just purely magic. It's really, really nice. It really gives us a very, very nice point. I'm going to definitely go for something asymmetric here, so I'm going to go longer from the front. I have used some spray prior to the cut, so it helps the hair to stay in place. Now this is not something that I would do on a real person, because at this stage I would have probably, if I have to cut so much of the outline, I would have cut the outline when it's actually before I start my haircut. But this is on a doll head. And straight away what I'm doing is I'm bringing the hair this way, up. Now a very good tip as well is to go and grab some of those hair on the underneath and lift them a little bit, right? This is very important when you work on a doll, because those back area here can shatter a bit. And from here I'm doing the same, starting from the front, and then I'm moving to the back. So as the side is so long here, I can actually create a bit of asymmetry in the outline. That's no problem. So in here on the right hand side, it could be a little bit longer in the back area. But I'm starting to be quite happy with the shape. Now the actual clippers, it's very good to kind of just soften the shape in. So almost I'm tapering the hair going down here. Yes.
The finish on the blow dry is sublime, right? Could you take us